Volume, variety and velocity are the defining properties of today's data collecting and processing technologies, commonly summarized under the term big data. Our lectures on security for big data provide you with first-hand information on how to design and run your system securely and compliant with data protection regulations. Security experts from Fraunhofer SIT introduce you to information security, highlight challenges for security and privacy in big data, and present solutions from practice and research. Our lectures are intended for everyone who wants to develop more sensitivity for privacy, data protection and security technologies in the big data context. You can register now on this page. Be sure to take the advantage of being informed about the newest technologies for security and privacy in big data. We hope we can welcome you soon.